Hello, sweet scientists. I know Valentine's Day was over the weekend, but I thought it would be fun to still do a science experiment kind of about lovey stuff. So you should have printed your Valentine's Day lip experiments page. You should have your materials, lipstick. Yes, boys, but I won't tell anyone, I promise. An index card. You don't need to have an index card. You can just kiss on a white piece of paper, or even on the second page, there's some space on the bottom. That's fine. And of course, a pencil. Okay. So I'm going to screen share. I'm going to do the experiment. You don't have to do it at your home the same time I do it. You might just want to watch the directions and then do the experiment. That's fine too. Okay. So you just watched a video on fingerprints and how cool they are. And today we're going to learn about your lip prints. You probably never thought about this before. Okay, so I'm going to read it and then we're going to do the experiment. The top part, the question is, what is my lip print pattern? Draw and label a sketch of your lip print. Hypothesis before the experiment. Conclusion after the experiment. We are going to read through this first, then we're going to make our hypothesis, okay? Because we want to talk about what's on the second page. Okay, research. Valentine's Day. It's that time of the year where love is in the air. Hugs, chocolates, cards, and kisses are signs of affection shared between people on this day. So pucker up, buttercup. But did you know that your kisses are like fingerprints, special just to you? The external surface, that means the outside surface, of the lip has many elevations, raises, and depressions going in, forming patterns called lip prints. The study of lip prints is called, it's called this word, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Since 1950, the Japanese have carried out extensive research in this matter. In 1971, Tokyo University established that the arrangement of lines on the red part of the human lips is individual and unique for each human being, just like these guys, right? Did you do that experiment? That was on the video? If not, maybe you can do both. Lip print recording is helpful in forensic investigation that deals with the identification of humans based on lip traces. When the lines are not clear, the individual identification of human being is extremely difficult. However, if the trace contains more individual characteristics like scars and clefts, that's a part in like a dent in your lip, it is easy to recognize whose lips they are. Okay, this also says a Q-tip. If you don't want to, if your mom doesn't wipe, or grandma or whoever doesn't wipe off the top of their lipstick and they don't want you to put it on, then you can always put it on with a Q-tip. You can rub the Q-tip on top of the lipstick to get lipstick on the Q-tip. Hey boys, maybe you should tell your dad that if Mrs. Peters says I have to do it, that you have to do it too. You guys can do it together. That would be funny. You should do that. And then mom, take a picture and send it to me. I'm just teasing, don't do that part. But it would be fun if everybody was included in it, not just our students. So the procedure says, use the Q-tip to take a small amount of lipstick. So if this is my lipstick, okay, gross, I would use a Q-tip and rub it on the top of the lipstick, and then I would put the Q-tip on my lips, okay? Or if your mom or grandma or sister, whoever's okay, just wipe off the top of the lipstick with a tissue, and then you can put it on. But a Q-tip nowadays might be better, okay? Or wipe off the top, then use the Q-tip, okay? I already have lipstick on. If you guys were at school, you would know Mrs. Peters was always wearing lipstick. I don't know why, I just do. Rub the lipstick. Okay, so you got your Q-tip. Rub the lipstick on your lips. And then fold index card in half and place between your lips. So you can fold it in half, or you can just kiss the paper, however. Okay? And press your lips firmly against the paper and match your pattern. So we're going to give it a nice big fat smooch. Mwah. Now I need more lipstick. Okay, then we are going to, I'll show you in just a second. Then you're going to match your lip marks with this diagram, okay? It's showing what they are called. So number one are these. Doesn't have to be in different spots like this. You could just have all your lips covered in all of that or all of that. They did it like this diagram is like this to show you just the different ones, not the location, just what they look like. So number one is called reticular. Number two is vertical. That makes sense, vertical lines. Number three is called branched. That makes sense, looks like a tree branch. Number four is intersected. That means it's intersected like that. And number five is partial vertical. So it's partially vertical, almost like diagonal. And then your discussion post, your DP, is how are lip prints like fingerprints? We'll get there. Okay, so, oh, we forgot to do the hypothesis. So turn your little kiss over. Before you do it, we should have drawn our hypothesis. Sorry about that. Okay, so it says to draw your lips. However, I don't know, I'm not good at drawing lips. And it's asking you for your hypothesis, what type of lip print do you think you have just by looking in the mirror? I'm going to say vertical. For me, this is me. You make your own. Maybe you have more than one. I don't know. Now, you would look at your lip print. So let's see mine. What do you think? Let me get that. Where's the other thing? What do you think? What number do you think? I'm thinking, yeah. I'm thinking 1 or 2. Maybe a little bit of 5 down here, huh? So I think it's 2 and 5, the most. Now there's some branches here. You might not be able to see it. Okay, so I guess you could have more than one. So I'm going to write on my paper, what did I say? 2 and 5, vertical and partial vertical. Vertical, partial, vertical. Okay, then I would draw my lips again with my real, or you could smack on some more lipstick and give this paper another big fat kiss. Either one. Okay. All right. So after you do that, you can write your answer here, or you can just type it into Schoology, however it works. But this is your discussion post. How are lips like fingerprints? Lips are like fingerprints because da 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 da. All right. Very cool. Lots of fun for science today. All right. If you want to include in your discussion post what type of lip print you have, that's fine. You would say lip prints are like fingerprints because da 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 da. And my lip print is, if you want to include that so we can know, that would be cool too. You don't have to, just you have to answer the question for your discussion post. And then again, if you want to include your lip print, you may. Hope you enjoyed your Valentine's science. Learned a little bit of something about fingerprints and lip prints. Now I gotta go put on some more lipstick. Bye.